1, go.
Woo! Thank God that's over with.
Yeah, but we still gotta figure out why the birds are attacking us in the first place.
I'll bet there's a hobo in the next town over that knows exactly why the birds are attacking us.
Let's go. Oh, Terry!
What?
You're supposed to.
Oh, I was?
Yeah.
Backing up.
Good.
Three, 2, 1.
You didn't say. Oh, my eyes are closed. Say 3.
Alright, come with us, we'll get you your sandwich.
You gotta sleep though.
Yeah, you have to be asleep and then, like, waking up.
Go sleep.
Preferably eat them off your chest.
No, no, you're gonna be.
Because it's gonna create crumbs if he doesn't.
Alright. Should I have a chip on my mouth, man?
He's recording right now. Stop it.
Shoo.
Stop it. He's out.
Who are you? Let's see. I got it!
Oh, wait.
Damn it!
So gross. Alright, you guys are ragging here.
So gross.
Wait. Shh. And then pretend like you're snoring. Alright? Alright, guys, help me pick this one up.
You stupid dude.
Do you remember your lines?
No. Wait, I'm waking up with the dog on me?
Yes, right. Oh, it's you. It's you again.
Oh, you're back! Oh my God.
Shush.
What kind of face? What kind of face? Time out. What kind of face?
Just be like,
Wait, that was.
that was too.
What do you want me to, what's my reaction? What's my reaction?
Someone's over the top.
Something like ridiculous.
What's that? Oh! Actually hurt, you piece of crap! That actually hurt! I wasn't. Aye!
No.
No?
One.
Like that or no?
Didn't say anything.
Oh my
You
gosh.
guys-
Aye!
No.
Where'd it
It's in your chest.
Oh.
One more time.
I don't know what to do. I really do. No. Underhand throw it. Like soft toss. I'm catching it. Oh my God.
Wait, go.
Get more arc. Excellent. You're not putting that in. That's really weird.
Wait, no, you gotta look the other way.
Yeah.
Doesn't he have to be like facing? Yeah, face. Flip your arms around. Switch the grip of your arms.
Yeah,
Okay, you gotta feel this quick.
All right. Remember, you walk in and go. You walk in. You're a trainer.
Hurry up.
You're a banana. Okay, go. Wilson, what are you doing? Wait, what am I doing? You're a trainer. And I'm not a trainer.
I'm the
You're
trainer.
the girl. Yeah,
Walking
you
to me.
walk in. You're a trainer.
Yes.
You're a banana. And then Cruz goes. Cruz can see yes. All right.
Okay. No, I'll do this.
All right. Yeah. But then what do I do?
You're
And then
gonna
let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Do I look at the camera? No. Okay.
I think we should do a close-up.
Let's do it, and then you all walk away with him. All right, that way.
Walk up the road.
No, just because then you have to cut the seam. You have to exit the seam. Okay. All right.
I gotta get up there. Come on, Nick, you're jacked. You can hold that.
Okay. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Wait, what? The one time you talked through! And we trained the banana, it didn't even freaking work! Solo!
Go.
1, 2, 3.
We trained the banana and it didn't even freaking work! Solo!
2, 1.
We trained the banana.
Holy sh! 2, 1.
What's the line?
Oh my god.
Alright, now can you tell us? Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Burger. Thanks.
Thanks, man.
Gracias.
Hey. Why? Why would you spank me?
Looks that.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh wow, that wasn't recording.
Really?
Yeah, start it over. And pull back a little more.
Alright. Did it beep? Stop talking. Stop.
You have to do it later in the walk. You don't do it in the beginning. Like, you walk for a good amount of time.
I like the other one better.
And then
I like the normal walk.
Just get like different angles. Like here.
Chris,
Come
you're
like
in the
under here. Come like under, like right here. And like look up at me and then I'm like, ah!
That's where you get out of the shot.
So you're a bird. Get out.
Hold on, wait, I got. Let me change the iris. Hold on. Alright,
Go
that's
get
the
in the character. The costume's in there.
Yeah, the costume's in.
Mother of shit. Go ask my mom.
Either ask for the one with all the feathers or the other one.
Let's do that.
Charles, you get yours
We're
in a
just gonna
sec.
get separate shots.
All right. Go. You're supposed to overlay the sound. Stop. Wait, Cruz, you're wasting. Ready?
What?
Do it again.
What?
There's no fire.
Oh!
Ready?
Oh, that's
I
important.
got it. All right.
No.
You sure?